Hey guys, Sandy here, and I wanted to share with you what I have left from my June kit, and that is the How to Kill a Kit with Style series that is running here on YouTube this summer with a bunch of other scrappy ladies or crafty ladies. So this is what I have left in paper. I have this hunk, this hunk, this hunk, and then these two little guys right here. And to be honest, I'm probably just gonna recycle all of it. So don't be upset. I have an empty sticker sheet. Whoop whoop. I used, let's see, there were 6. I used 4 of the flare. I also used a lot of these chipboard stickers, a lot of them. Now, the sticker book still has a lot of stickers, but I mean, there's 2007 stickers in this bad boy, so that's definitely a keeper. This is something I added to my kit because I needed a little bit more. It was pretty full. Not a whole lot on here yet. This little lion guy, this floral wreath, some borders, and a couple little pieces right here. For the chipboard, not a whole lot on this one either. 2 feathers, a butterfly, which I won't use, the little dog, and follow your own arrow. And then, let's see. Now, I had 2 sets of these Chamel stickers from Starshine and used, I mean, look at that. That's getting thrown away. I'm not saving that for that one little butterfly there. So, used a whole bunch of that. This thicker set, which is sparkle, I have dance and a star and glitter and 2 other stars. So, like, tremendous amount gone from that. This is the Lucky One stickers, just today and yay, and then family love and a flower down here. From this Jelly Bean Soup sticker sheet, that was a brand new sticker sheet, like so. More than half of it gone. Super happy about that. Here's another Jelly Bean Soup that was brand new. I would say like 90% of it gone. Way happy with that. This basic gray. Look. Completely used. That's gonna get trashed. This Jelly Bean Soup. Not as many as the other ones, but I did get a lot of them. This thicker set, Hope and Dream. Most of them gone on here. A lot left on this side, but that's good. From these stickers, it's Blessed. Used a whole bunch of these. Like a whole bunch, so super happy with that. The chipboard from Petticoats and Pinstripes, used a bunch of this. Whole bunch of that. Okay. Then I had Everyday Eclectic. Now this one was brand new, so look at all those stickers that are gone. And this one is that one that I've had and had a couple little random things on it that I've used. This is what we're gonna do though. We're just gonna move these over to here. That way, we'll still have the sticker sheet and we can get rid of this guy because nobody needs that. That's just taking up space. Okay. The Turn the Page washi strips. I did use a couple of these. So a lot gone here. 1 on this one, 1 on this one, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 on this one. I'm not counting the butterflies because I won't use it. Then I have this Joy Parade from Fancy Pants. Sorry about that, guys. Got a phone call and everything started to ring. My iPad, my phone, and my watch. Anyway, 1 word left from this Joy Parade puffy stickers and then some flowers. So that's super exciting. And then I had a box of die cuts. And if you remember, this box of die cuts was like full. It was full of a whole bunch. And I would say I've probably used more than half of these die cuts. So ridiculously happy about that. So let me get these out of the way and I will show you the stack of layouts I created. And I do mean it's a stack. It's just trash. Get the kit holder out of the way, and here we go. So I have this one. Get these out of the way too. I have this one here. And this is a layout of my daughter at her birthday party. She was opening up some presents, lots of layers, different stickers. I mixed and matched, so it says happy and loved. This happens every year. I have some things up on foam and just giving it a little bit of different texture. And this is one of the layouts that I created towards the end because it's just scraps. Now I also have this layout with a Lego man that I had created, and this is definitely one towards the end because these are all just scrappy little bits of paper. This was a piece of paper that came in a Citrus Twist kit. This wasn't an original part of my kit. Not a fan of that at all. So we did this with the Lego man. So that's two. Gotta get some room here. I need to move some stuff around. So two layouts. Now this third layout is an older photo, and I just went ahead and used some banners, and really just happy with this photo, with this layout. It's pink and teal. I don't know. I just like pink and teal. I just gotta deal with it. I like pink and teal. Okay. Here is another layout here, and this is my son and I. We had gone to dinner before he had shipped off. So just layered some paper here. I have some vellum, black doilies. And then these golds, these golds don't all exactly match. Like this one's a little bit yellower, but while you're flipping through the album, if that's gonna be what you're worried about, then And this car might seem random, but we are in the car, so there we go. So that's 3. Then we have the 4th layout here. These are not in order. The 4th layout here. My daughter with her Lego man cake. This is actually a really old pattern paper. I wish I remembered who it was. And I just used it here. And some Creative Memories pearls right here. I just punched out some circles with Creative Memories punch and just layered them there. Then this might be considered a cheat page. I'm not sure. It is a cut apart sheet with borders. I didn't want to use the borders. Now, I really liked this, and I had this chipboard here. So it's going to be the 2018 title page, and I just heat embossed some white embossing powder over this wood veneer word and just called it Hello 2018. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I used a Spectrum Noir shimmer pen on some of the sunspots to give it a little bit of glitter. So how many pages am I at? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm counting this as 5 because it is scrapbooked. Okay, number 6. More of that pink and teal, and I just really love this. I just really love the color combination. Pink, teal, white, and black just makes me happy. There is a process video on this one, so I won't completely bore you with it. This is a piece of vellum from Pretty Little Studio, not in my original kit. Okay, then we have this layout, and this is one that I gutted, and as you can see, I went a little bit far, but I gutted it and then flipped it inside of itself and then washi taped the outside. And we just have some, it said Reach for the Stars. I'm not even sure exactly what the title is on this bad boy, but this is my husband shooting some hoops at my daughter's birthday party. We went to this fun arcade type place, so that's this one. I'm not completely in love with this guy, but it's done. That's what matters. Okay, so this layout right here, more pink and teal, busted out the Prima flowers and brads for this one. You can see. And then again, picture of my daughter's birthday party. Now this one is that one where I die cut sneezed all over the place, and I just randomly dropped the stuff down, added some metal bits here and some cork and some like enamel to give it a little bit of texture, and then these really old Heidi Grace, old guys, right? Heidi Grace little dots here. Then this one is a lot of fun. Well, I think it's a lot of fun. I made a shaker title here with my Cricut, and as you can see, the sequins here, and then just added a little bit here. Really old paper. This is Junkett's paper, really old paper. Okay, then we have my daughter again. I just was enjoying scrapbooking her birthday, apparently. So this paper also was not originally in my kit. This was from Citrus Twist. So the rest of the stuff, and then of course the cardstock on the back was different as well. This is probably my go-to design when I have one portrait and one landscape photo, is to place them like this with a band of something to weigh it down, and then somehow decorate this empty space here. It's like my go-to. Okay, then here is a sign. So the place we went to had this little like welcome sign, so I wanted to scrapbook that. Here's a picture of my daughter on that day. And these circles are actually a patterned paper that I cut the circles out of and just layered them up here. This was an Oso inspired scrapbook page, and I went ahead and cut out a bunch of hexagons and used some cheeky studio wildflowers, which I absolutely love. And it's just, woo, excuse me guys. It's a thank you note that I scrapbooked I received from work. Now this one right here, I wasn't exactly sure what I was going to do with this paper that had the days of the week just printed on it. And then I cut it in half, or cut it apart, and put this teal color up the top. This is a picture of me, my brother, and my sister. And I just thought that an I love you every day kind of went with this whole days of the week thing that was stamped here. So, super happy with this. This one I also have a process video for. There's a lot of these that have process videos. This says sparkle like a laser. This was a team build at work. We went and played laser tag. These are also Cheeky Studio products, and the sequins and the frames are. And I just love these sequins. Okay. So this one is Live a Noteworthy Life, and this is my husband and my son at Pier 39. And I just have touches of sparkle. Still not sure about this ampersand, but it's done, so we're gonna leave it. This is a layout of my husband and my son. This was after he came back from boot camp and we were getting ready to go to church. Here's one of those flares, two of those flares. And I just, you know, layered some stuff up and made it work. At least I think I made it work. Here is my sticker sneeze layout. I think I used 50 stickers total. These are my girls at the Crunchyroll Expo. Here's some really old Junkett's paper again. And I just folded this down and stapled this and put the sticker here on the edge so you had that peekaboo. And then you have this dark navy blue throughout the page. Then I have this one, and this one is Major Heart Eyes, and this is one that I gutted. I gutted the black cardstock and then used the black cardstock here. So this is tinted with some distress ink. And then I love doing these little fishtail banners and little groupings. It just makes me happy. And I think the yellow enamel dots make it pop. So we got that one. I also did a pocket page of the Crunchyroll Expo that the girls went to. This is a picture of Mickey, so it says that Disney Sparkle. There's just some, like, there's just stickers and things decorated right on top of each. And then I have Super Awesome with this acrylic piece and then a flare badge here. That's why I didn't. See, Super Awesome was supposed to be like the title, but I did it in that and then did it here too. Well, maybe what if I flip around both of them? That works. Yay! Now my title is actually on the front. Okay, so I did that. I also did this one, which is some ephemera, and decided to use the little bear and Polaroid camera. No real reason other than it is a fall thing and I used some fall colors. Then I have this layout, which my son again, and then here we are getting ready for church. Really like the colors of this. I like the yellow. I think it makes his brass buttons pop, but that might be me. Then this was my first layout that I created using my kit, and this is where I just took that spray and just went psh, psh, and went with it. So here is this, and there's a story behind the title, so it's Homecoming Happy, and we saw Spider-Man Homecoming when I think it was the weekend that we had gone and picked up our son from graduating boot camp. And then I have this layout, not fancy whatsoever. There was a wood veneer challenge, so I went ahead and used a bunch of wood veneer. This is actually one piece that broke, and I just decided to put it like this, and yesterday you were a boy, today you are a man. And that's really how I felt when he graduated. Like, he had grown some more, and he was just, he kind of like, there was a switch and some maturity. Now these are some close to my heart. Ooh! These are some close to my heart sticky things. So there it is. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 25 layouts with that kit, guys. I'm so happy. Stay tuned for July, where I will have another homemade kit from my stash, and we'll see if I can beat this. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great week.